Carla's Kitchen CC, best cooking around here. Welcome to Carla's Kitchen CC YouTube channel. Hey, Carla the big bad chef.
Yes, guys, we are about to make some callaloo patties. Yes, so here's my dough, cut it out, and yes, we will be making patties today. Yes, did I say we? Yes, you and I, of course, we're gonna be making it together. So make sure you have your dough ready and everything, your rolling pin, so we can get to work. Alright, and before I get into it, guys, I just want to encourage someone. I don't know who this is for, but I just want to encourage someone. It doesn't matter what you're going through, still hold your head high. Still hold your head high. I know it is rough. I know it is tough. I know that we're living in a hard time, but still hold your head high, because guess what? He's there, right beside you, just worship Him, just worship Him. He's there, right beside you, just worship Him, just worship Him. He's there, right beside you, just worship Him. Just worship Him. His problem solver, burden bearer, doctor, healer, secret keeper. He's there, right beside you. Just worship Him. Just worship Him. He's there, right beside you. Yes, Lord. Just worship Him. Just worship Him. He's there, right beside you. Come on, just worship Him. Just worship Him. He is our problem solver, burden bearer, secret keeper, healing doctor. He's there, right beside you. Come on, just worship Him. Just worship Him. Yes, guys, whatever it is, whatever you are going through, just tell it to our Maker. Just tell it to our everlasting Father, because without Him, we are nothing, absolutely nothing. So whatever the problem is, sometimes it seems so hard, like, you can't make it or we can't make it. But guess what? With the help of Jesus Christ, we can make it. With God, all things are possible. Just have a little faith in Him. Just a little faith in Him and tell it all to Him, because He is our healer. He is our problem solver. He is our burden bearer, and He is our provider. He is our comforter. Guys, just tell it to Him. Tell it to Him, whatever it is. Just tell it to Him. Thank you guys so much for allowing me to do this. Thank you for your time. So now we're gonna go straight into the video. We're gonna be making some patties. Alright guys, I love you all and thank you so much again for your support. Thanks guys. Thanks. I truly appreciate each and every one. Thank you all. So guys, I have some flour here, for when I'm gonna roll out the dough. My rolling pin, and I have a fork, and I need to get my egg out of the fridge. I could get to that later. Alright. And I did a video showing how to make the dough for your patty, so you can check that video out. Alright, and also check out my second channel, Healthy Eats BLS. Please check out the channel and support. Thank you. So here we have the dough. Nice. So I'm gonna cut it. Alright. When you're rolling out your patty dough, guys, just take your time and roll. Don't press too hard on the dough. Right? Just slightly roll it like this. Okay. So I'm going to use a pot cover to shape it out. So here we have one. So I'm gonna fill it now, let you see. Here's the callaloo. Wow, look at this callaloo, guys. It is so tasty. My word. Pretty callaloo. Alright, so do this. Line up the camera properly so they can see. Alright. So now we're gonna make our callaloo patty. And when you're doing this, guys, try to stay away from the edge, okay? Try not to get your meat or your veggie at the edge, because when you're gonna seal it, you don't want to have any problems. And you can make these in whatever size you like. Okay, you can make them bigger or you can make them smaller like cocktail. Okay, so now I'm going to use my fork to close it. This one is nice and puffy. Look at it. Alright, so it is nicely closed. So I'm just gonna punch some hole like this through it. Okay, so there you have a nice, look guys, look at this. Look at this. Alright, so I'm gonna put it on my baking sheet, baking pan rather, like this. Okay. So this is my egg, guys, and I'm going to slightly baste the top of my patty some egg. Wow. Look at what we have here, guys. Look at our callaloo patties. They smell amazing. Look at these, guys. Beautiful in color. And trust me, I know they taste good. Because the callaloo is well flavored, well seasoned. Look at these. It is very hot. So I'm going to allow them to cool down for a little bit before I bite into one for you guys. Yummy. How beautiful, guys. Look at these delicious, yummy, mouth-watering callaloo patties. They are looking amazing and it smells so good. So I'm just waiting until the patty cool so I can taste it for you guys. But look at this. Very, very easy to make. Try it at home, guys. Make it for your kids, make it for your families. Yes, guys, and you all enjoy. Time to eat. So here we have one of my callaloo patty, and I'm gonna break into it for you guys. It's still a little bit warm, but voila! Look at, oh heaven, guys! It smells amazing. Let's check out the taste now. Hot. That's tough. Wait. The callaloo is very tasty and delicious. Very flavorful. A little bit spicy, but yes, I can handle that. It tastes great, guys. The patty, the crust is flaky, crunchy, and nice. Look at that. Look at that. Very, very nice. Crunchy on the outside. So flaky. Tastes great. Because the crust is also flavored nicely. Check out the video. Which side? I think this side or maybe up here. Yes, check it out. The link will be up here for the dough. Yes, this link, it is going to teach you, yes, how to make your homemade dough for your patty. Whether beef patty, chicken patty, shrimp patty, veggie patty, or even callaloo patty. Yes, this link, this one, yes, check it out. Yes, guys. Oh, my word. Very delicious. Hot. Wow. So nice. Guys, thumbs up the video. Thumbs up the video. Yes, share the video out. And if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and turn on all notifications. It will alert you when I post a new video. Thank you so much for your support. And to all my new subscribers, I welcome you with a warm welcome. Thank you for being here. I'm happy you're here. Thank you so much. My old subscribers, thank you guys for your continuous support. I appreciate you all. Yes, wanna enjoy the party? friend to tell another friend. More blessings to you guys. Thank you so much for your support. And don't forget, if you're new, subscribe to the channel. I know I probably said that already earlier, but I'm saying it again. Yes, guys, thanks again. Be good. Be kind to yourself so you know how to show kindness to others. Love you guys. Love, 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 love. Mwah, mwah. To everyone who loves Carla and who supports Carla's Kitchen. Thank you, guys. You all are amazing. And I'm happy you're over here. Yes, guys, be good. Walk good. Yes, and I'm going to see you again in another video. Bye, guys.